Good morning from the Basic Fam, where we keep it basic as possible in the beautiful Hawaii. But today we're gonna go to a cars and coffee meet. That's my butte. That's what we're working with here. Logan, model for your whip, bro. That's a nice Prius, bro.
It is. It has like 25 horsepower.
This is how the girls model for their car.
Wow, what is that? That's a nice BRZ FRS, bro.
I'm gonna do it when they show the legs, huh?
And this is the weirdest Honda I've ever seen.
It's a 92 EG hatch, but I converted it to a rear end of a
Versa.
with a 4-door. So I extended the frame. So it's a rear end of a Versa, front end of a Versa.
Do I look like Micah's back of his car now?
Oh, you need that for downforce or what? So if you're wondering what happened to his banner that we just put on, literally the next day?
Next day.
Cop pulls you over. All right,
Come on now.
we here.
He's a bearded wonder.
There's a shitload of cars. Let's go check them out.
About the fucking flex.
Send it.
He's out with the camera so he knows.
Nice. It's a Honda? How much for your services, sir?
For you, 5 cents.
Oh,
I get the tight hole or the loose hole.
Oh, fuck, you know me, tight.
Raja. You can double dip, you can take 2.
Yeah. All right, that was it. Quick cars and coffee. Checked out some of the cars. This guy got us some donuts. Had a cruise time, but it got too hot, so we had to leave.
Hey guys, so the deadline for our giveaway is gonna be next week, Friday, the 23rd. And then the next day, on the 24th, when I go to the car show, we'll be picking a winner. So make sure you comment below saying I want that t-shirt or Team Basic t-shirt.
Either this video or the last one, the link will be right. Chill.
But make sure you enter. The shirts came out nice, man. Really.
It came out really nice considering how cheap they are.
Yeah, no, it did.
Look at him, he's got some peepers. Make sure you comment below if you want that shirt. Stay tuned for the next video. And thank you for following and subscribing and liking and all of that. Logan, say bye. Basic fam.
Ooh, that oil slip.
Meet brother Rusty. Alright, what year is your truck?
2012 Tacoma
4-door, 2-wheel drive, slam 3.4, huh?
3.4.
And then,
My rims in April.
yep, stay tuned for that. Rims coming in April. We'll be there. Reveal that to you. Oh, what happened?
I rear-ended somebody.
Oh,
Oh shit.
Nicholas Allen.
We